The quantum healing codes are rooted in solfeggio frequencies and the concept that geometry patterns of vibration exist behind all matter. Our thoughts and feelings, which are frequency vibrations, can become chaotic and unbalanced when we experience emotional upsets or dwell on negative thoughts. The quantum healing codes help reestablish coherence within our body-mind system, shattering the vibration patterns of limiting and painful experiences, and bring greater coherence to the system. These frequencies are used within the Scalar Heart Connection process, a tool that allows us to tap into the scalar field of unlimited potential within our heart. This tool provides guidance on problems, whether they stem from our thoughts, emotions, or anxieties generally activated within the 7 emotional centers known as chakras. The quantum healing codes, when converted to wavelengths, also correspond to the colors of the chakras, helping to realign them during a session. The heart chakra is at the center. It is green, and it is symbolized by the geometry of the Star of David, or the twin tetrahedral triangles inside Metatron's cube. The various codes align with the chakras and the houses of the zodiac, forming a quantum healing code archetypal pattern that provides deeper insight into the lessons our heart is trying to show us. For more detailed information on how to use these codes and their geometric significance, refer to the book Quantum Healing Codes by Stephen Lindstedt, available on Amazon. The book guides you on using the different codes for addressing negative attributes and achieving balance. A shorter version of Scalar Heart Connection process is available on the app Ask Your Heart, which makes applying these codes convenient. The app guides you to the pattern needed for addressing your issues, providing the exact code to listen for you to balance. The codes are available on the iPhone Store and Google Play. You can also download all 22 quantum healing codes from scalarheartconnection.com for easy access on your phone. For more information about the quantum healing codes and Scalar Heart Connection can be found in Stephen Lindstedt's book Scalar Heart Connection, also available on Amazon. An online course is available for those interested in becoming practitioner or dwelling deeper into the process to help themselves, family, clients and friends, and even pets. Thank you for watching, and always follow your heart.